Hi, greetings to everyone. My name is Ali. I am a victim of torture, persecution, extortion, and blackmail by one of the most brutally physical violent Kenya police officer, Ahmed Rashid, who is a very well documented, a popular police killer cop who has been known by human rights internationally, by medias, by civil rights organizations as the most top #1 killer cop in Kenya. I am the victim of Ahmed Rashid's torture. He tortured me brutally. He physically and violently beaten me up. He forced me to drink urine on September 2018 when he came and raided my apartment. He kidnapped me and took me to Juja Road location, whereby he held me there for about 2 hours and wanted to slaughter me with Panga. He held me there and put a pistol on my forehead, where he threatened my life and stated that he will cut me into pieces and dump my body to forest. All this, he is doing all this to give me intimidation, fears, and threats, because I have filed so many complaints against him. I filed so many complaints to Oversight Authority, IPOA. I filed a complaints to Internal Affairs. I filed a complaints to Vigilance House. I filed a complaints to Human Rights Organization. I have filed a complaints to Inspector General Office. And eventually, when he took me to Pangani on September 2018, he took me to Pangani Police Station. I was held there for 2 weeks. In 2 weeks period, Ahmed Rashid forced me to drink urine. He forced me to drink urine. All this to give me fears, intimidation, and to stop me from making further complaints, because he extorted and blackmailed in an extortion syndicate, Kenyan shilling 1.8 million. I have lost 1.8 million through Ahmed Rashid's extortion syndicate. And I filed a complaints with Internal Affairs. They have never done anything. I filed a complaints to Inspector General Office. I filed a complaints to IPOA. And eventually he broke my leg, my left leg, on February 2019. I'm a victim of Ahmed Rashid's torture, persecuted. I have been persecuted. I'm a victim of torture, persecution, extortion, blackmail, and death threats. He stated that he's going to kill me and dump my body to forest. Why did he force me to drink urine, Ahmed Rashid? He violated my right. He violated international law. I'm hereby speaking up about the torture experience that I've gone through in the hands of Kenyan authority. Inspector General Hillary Mutyambai have not done anything. I've filed so many complaints to Hillary. I've sent so many messages to Hillary Mutyambai, Inspector General Office. Where is Hillary Mutyambai? Why is he not taking action? Why is IPOA not taking action? Why is he not being prosecuted? Thank you. I'm hereby speaking up about Ahmed Rashid's involvement about torture, Ahmed Rashid involvement about persecutions, Ahmed Rashid involvement about blackmail and extortion. Thank you.